Six Points, Texas. Cool and cloudy in Little Europe. Expect snow and sleet on New York Street, and we've got a high chance of fog and precipitation for Skull Island, Amity Island, and Island Bar. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on.
All right, well, what's going on, folks, is to the left of what's the demonstration. You see the buildings. You hear the thunder. How about a little rain? Same as for you, sprinkler system. Very nice. All right, so now you know how we make a storm for the movies. Okay, let's cut those sprinklers. Cut the water, guys. No, they're supposed to shut off the sprinklers because, well, you know what happens when you get too much rain in California, right? That's not good. Flash flood. Yes, that flash flood has caused by releasing thousands of gallons of recycled water from big tanks at the top of that hill. Now the water is then pumped back up and reused, getting our drinking fountains.